I'm Aericurl. I'm currently in the hawker trade for 10 years. I'm selling dessert.
My name is Ben. I'm the second generation hawker owner for 爵士卤面 or 爵味卤面.
I'm selling dessert, which is mixture of traditional and hybrid.
We are selling mainly traditional lor mee.
So I started off from Ci Yuan and currently still at Ci Yuan, so throughout 10 years in this industry. So how I come into this trade is when I joined the Fei Siong entrepreneurship program. And for the first 3 months, we are actually under training and we receive a fixed salary. So they actually guide us on how to set up the business in terms of like equipment-wise, like we do the purchasing of equipment and until like recipe. So they gave us a few recipes to start off the business and taught us how to like manage the business itself for the first 3 months. Then after that, then we start paying like our rents and everything by ourselves.
Ci Yuan is our first store that we started with our lor mee business. So calculating the time is about 10 years already.
Why I'm in here for 10 years because other than like the relationship with the customers, we and the management actually also have already built a strong relationship, like working together. And they are also very supportive. So other than like the crowd coming in by themselves, Ci Yuan management actually bring in like shuttle bus from the industrial area. And they also donated like 16,000 to work with the PACC to like give out the residents at the food voucher.
Our collaboration between Fei Siong and Hawker is actually going very well because every time we have any issue, we highlighted to them. We are always able to resolve them. Although sometimes it may take a bit of time, depending on the kind of problems. Usually small matter, we could resolve it very efficiently. Major issue is usually on the structure problem, which is require major work. That's when some delay will happen. But overall, it's good relationship between operator and hawker center.
Hello, I'm Joe. I'm actually running Fei Siong Social Enterprise. So under the social enterprise, we actually have 4 hawker centers under our care. The very first one is Ci Yuan Hawker Centre, which is the one that you are here right now. And I think we have been managing Ci Yuan for the last 11 years. From day one, when we started with our very first entrepreneur project, all the way till last year. Well, we have a team of very dedicated operation executives in the center. So over here, they are always roaming about in the hawker center, making sure that all hawkers, when they seek any assistance or any help, right, they'll be there to assist them. Next, we actually collect all our food type, meaning there's no duplication of food items and sold around the hawker center. So there are 40 stalls, right? We make sure that we have 40 no duplicated ones.
If you want to venture into the hawker trade, I think firstly must have passion. No experience is okay as long as willing to learn, but definitely a physical labor trade. Yeah, do not expect something comfortable.
Overall, it's also a very fun endeavor. It's a much easier way to start your own business.